All right, guys, welcome to your video lecture. Today you are going to be discovering the El Nino and La Nina weather events. They have to do with climate. You're going to do a reading on it, answer some questions. Pretty simple, but let's go through it real quick and we will discuss it next time I see you or in new lectures later on. So El Nino event. So now that you've learned about the typical climates of the world, let's take a moment to learn something about significant climate events. One of such events is called the El Nino. For today's assignment, you're going to read an article about El Nino event. As you read, the worksheet's going to ask you some comprehension questions. You're going to answer those questions on the document and turn in the complete sheet. Remember, in order to edit this document, you are going to have to make your own copy. So you're going to read, and then as you can see, there's some questions right here, some multiple choice, some more reading, and then finally some more multiple choice questions. You're going to go ahead, read this, finish this, email me with questions during our Zoom time today. We can discuss maybe questions that you have or things you want to go over as well, but as far as what we're doing today, this is it. Good luck. Enjoy.